Are they still practicing?
Huh?
Are they still practicing?
Who?
The other group?
It's coming. Forward, please. Up.
Lisa, what color is the light on the camera?
Red.
Okay, that means it's recording.
Forward. Up.
They get lost already?
Moving.
Oh my God.
Okay, lean in, lean in. Okay, come back.
Get the airport. I'm sorry, man. You can't take all my dogs.
Imagine in the flight.
Everybody hold fast.
Forward!
Forward, come on, forward. Up. Okay, watch out. Okay,
Sweet.
so Monica,
Yeah.
you know here stop. The command is stop. Please don't stop. Keep going.
Yeah. I think this one is turning, but yeah.
No, no.
Okay.
Remember, I have the control me here.
Yeah. So
We need only paddle.
I won't think so.
Thank you.
Somebody hit that one pretty hard. Looks like a face in it.
Oh yeah.
So all these rocks, these are natural rocks.
To the half.
Paddle forward, please.
Going up the river like a salmon.
Up.
Quite refreshing.
Yes.
I love those trees with the yellow flowers.
The leaves.
Huh?
I think they're leaves. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe flowers. And we're ready.
Forward, please. Up. Woohoo! Forward. Forward. Come on. Up. Forward.
This time we deserve the paddock thing,
Muy
right?
bien, give me a high five, pura vida.
We're improving. I feel it. Already.
Two more photos.
Put that foot in there. Push it in.
Forward, please. Up.
Big rock, big rock.
Wow. Well done.
Forward.
Well, we know who's winning.
Go.
See the flowers.
Are they flowers?
Flowers, top that one.
Oh, okay.
On top of it, please.
Holding from
Uh-huh, the yellow flowers.
Oh, like riding a horse.
Yeah,
A little bit.
kind of. Agreed.
Doesn't pay attention when I say whoa either.
forward, please. Go.
Howdy, Rock.
Okay, back paddle. Paddle back. Come on. Go.
Beep, beep. Exactly.
I have a question. Somebody try go up there in the rock, jump in the water.
Yeah.
And come down.
See?
Go for it, Lisa.
That's Lisa. You know what her name
I
is.
can do it.
All right.
I'm already wet.
We will
Somebody?
cheer you on.
We'll see you at the lodge, David.
Yeah.
No. There is. Go in there and jump and swim to here.
This one, right?
Okay.
Not a good sign.
Opa.
Alex is going.
Oh, okay.
Alex. Good. See. See?
All right, he did it. Yay!
Do a flip.
Back paddle.
He got it. He got it. Good job.
David, if you want, you go to the front.
Okay.
It's more easy.
How is it?
Oh, it's so refreshing.
Yeah.
It feels so nice. It's like lovely.
Perfect temperature.
I don't know how wet you get in the front, but boy, when the water hits, it comes all the way back.
Oh
It's
yeah.
nice though.
It does.
It does feel
It's a little bit of a shock, but it feels good.
because it's so hot. It's like
Feels super good, right?
so nice.
You realize when you get off to the side how hot it gets up front.
You want to go for it?
No, I'm good.
He's got to take all that off.
It's waterproof.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
I did not know that. Oh.
It'll go to 3 meters.
And you, Monica?
Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe later.
We are keeping the rafts safe.
Oh, no?
Yeah, we didn't want the raft to float downstream, so.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Super nice.
Yeah. I think my watch is saying, do you want to start a workout? Oh, this is so gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
Even the water's green.
What is that noise?
Cicadas.
Cicada. Uh-huh.
See? Okay, back paddle, please. Paddle back, please.
Oop.
Go.
Mm.
Back paddle again, please. Up. Wow, there is a lot of different noise.
Oh,
You hear that one?
Uh-huh.
what was that?
Oro pendula.
Hey, that's what we're saying.
You know the,
That's our friend.
see, it is a brown body with a yellow tail.
Oh, there you go.
There you
There
go.
you go. We saw it a while ago. We didn't know what it was.
See?
She saw the yellow tail. It's so pretty. Okay.
I will not experience you.
Wow, they are.
Okay, the other boat is coming.
Oh, here they come.
See?
They are alive.
I was kind of hoping to see them come down the river, the rapids there.
As long as we're not going dang, 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 dang.
Which time of year do you prefer rafting?
This time,
This time?
see? But exactly, there is a transition. You know, there is when they get out the summer season
Mm-hmm.
and getting in the raining, in the raining season, and this when they start raining,
Yeah.
and the river is getting high a little bit more. And that's a good level for rafting.
Yeah, it's fairly different all the time, the rapids.
See?
depending on
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Depend exactly the level. You will all days have a different rapids.
Yeah.
We have a nice river
Nice.
by us. It's called Kern River.
Uh-huh.
And you also get, it can be class 2, 3, and 4, 5. It just
Really?
depends on because the level changes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
In California, there's not a lot of water, so most of the time was
Yes.
spent getting up and moving the boat out of the rocks. So the water was like this.
Oh,
this
yeah.
deep.
Yeah.
Somebody's
Like-
been practicing balancing rocks.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh wow.
Oh. Yeah.
That's what our bird does.
Your bird. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, my God.
Ready?
Yep.
Forward, please. Stop.
Ramming speed.
You stop.
You're racing away.
No class 5 rapid. What is this?
Don't make us come over there.
Forward, please. Stop.
Why am I reminded of a scene from Meatballs?
Forward, please. Stop.
Is this how they get the
See this
luggage
cable
across?
here? That one that is for indigenous people.
Oh, okay.
Use this cable for getting for across the river. Sorry. Most of the time, these guys use the cable is in the raining season.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in the summer season, the river is very low. It's not okay the people walking across.
Just walk
How
across.
do they use it? What do they do?
There's a little
There's
trolley.
a basket
yeah.
on the right.
Wow.
And you see the boats, the ropes in there, the blue one?
Yeah.
These guys, they just pull one of these ropes in a basket across
yeah.
the river.
And
Look, it's in there.
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
little gondola.
Bar forward, please. Stop. Right now, this Indian population, these are 60 people live up there. 60, but there is exactly different families. Different families, the same language. But these guys need walking for around maybe 2 hours and a half. But exactly to the reservation is to here.
Yeah.
Back paddle, please. Paddle back. Stop. bottom forward, please. Stop. Good. Check it out, these plants in here. That one's, there is a banana. Wild banana, you see it?
Yep.
Yeah, in there. Wild banana, that one is only have, this one have a seed inside. And it is not good for eat.
Right.
You know, platanos is that one and bananas is the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I don't know. Here in Costa Rica, platanos there is plantain.
Yes.
Bananas there is bananas.
Yeah.
Okay. I love fried plantains. Yeah, we did.
Blue motorcycle.
That was
Just like a massage. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. All right, check your feet. Forward. Oh yeah.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Did I go swing?
Yours sounds so different from ours. I want
Forward, please. Stop.
Splash left. And we go.
Blue motorcycle is that one. It's one of the most biggest bottom. Okay, forward.
It's really fantastic. Like the butterflies, the big thing.
Forward. Stop. Oh, look at
Another one, right?
look at that bird. That one down there. There is two of them.
Yeah, two of them.
Fly catchers. Kingfisher is the name to that one.
Flycatcher?
Kingfisher?
Kingfisher.
Yeah. That's
Oh.
I didn't think you'd ever see
4 different kinds of kingfisher in here.
Wow.
Look at that one up there in the sky.
Yeah.
Vultures. Vultures is waiting for the swimmers. No,
They're like,
no.
one of them's gonna fall in.
I kidding.
They like seafood though.
Yeah.
They need to allow some salty too.
It seems so effortless, like for them.
Yep.
Yeah.
Forward, please. Stop. And how many nights you stay in the lodge?
2 nights.
Two.
Two.
Yeah.
No, we're 3 nights, aren't we? I don't know. We have a little bit of all kind of rocks here.
That one here.
The schist. Yeah. Schist. It's a combination, an aggregate of all types of rocks smashed together.
Give me a high five, pura vida.
Pura vida.
Yeah, woo!
Pura vida.
Excelente.
To be honest, you did most of the job on that one.
Huh?
You did a great job on that
Yeah,
one.
thank you. I was like, thank God we passed that one. and
Yeah.
that one.
See the cable?
Yeah. The power or
No, zip lining.
okay, zip line. Okay. See the up there at the very top of the trees.
For different companies.
Oh, really?
I think I'm doing it.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah. I'm doing this.
Have you ever done it before?
No.
We did it in Jamaica. It was fantastic.
Oh,
Forward, please. Forward.
Nothing but
Stop.
1,000 meters of line just through the jungle, over the river. They've got some in the States, but they are not the same at all.
wow.
Here's like Canada, right?
Yeah. If it's like the one we did, you have to do a lot of climbing up the trees.
There in the lodge.
There is a canopy, canyoning,
For hiking.
Yeah.
Forward, please. Oh.
There's a building up to our left,
Wow.
behind us now, behind you. Up at the top of the hill.
Forward?
Forward. Stop.
It's like a rest stop or something up. Maybe. Oh, that's probably for the zip lining up there, behind us.
It's huge.
Back pedal. Stop.
Woo! Lisa getting wet.
Okay, left side, paddle back.
Back paddle.
Right, go forward.
Forward?
Yeah, you're good.
Left side back. Right, go forward. Oh.
All right. Uh-oh.
Forward.
He just wants to make sure we're awake.
I trust him.
Look like a fish.
So you know, remember the people say get down command?
Yes.
You know exactly what is the get down command? All the way inside.
Oh, inside. Okay.
See,
Uh-oh.
ready?
There must be a reason he's telling us this.
Yeah.
Back, paddle back, paddle back. Up. Okay, get down, down.
Bonk, bonk. Woohoo!
This is the old thing. Actually, I'm thinking. Look behind you.
Yeah. What you need? You good? There we go. Careful, careful, careful. Lean it. Oh, that doesn't look good.
No, it's okay.
He's going in.
Get down, okay?
I knew he shouldn't have had breakfast.
I fight for one gallon.
Excellent. Ooh, that's pretty.
So when you get down, does it make the boat more buoyant?
No.
Makes it
To get
heavy.
down, it's for safe. Don't worry, pull out.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. Forward. Good. Forward. Come on, Monica. Come on. Good.
They're stuck. They're stuck. What's happened?
Pretend like you weren't stuck.
Forward. Good.
Can you recover? Clamping.
All that practicing. Yeah, hide over here while I ambush him.
Oh, they're stuck.
Give it some gas. Light still red.